The one named Mr.beast and Hurricane BERYL. Before you even start with a negative comment, let me finish talk first before we do that. So, I see where a lot of people in Jamaica struggle with housing and all them kind of thing there. The richest YouTuber, Mr.beast himself, come to Jamaica and decides I'm going to give away 100 house to the people who really in need. Me and talk about some crazy poor people, cottage style. But all of that said and done, here comes Andrew Wellness. He might worry about social media and him not think about how much people this are going to really benefit. After Mr.beast come and bless a whole heap of people with housing, everybody comfortable right now. Because I know so them situation did well sticky. Here comes the devil, Hurricane BERYL. Imagine you suffer for years and you get a little blessing. And then your blessing right now threatened by a storm. You understand? Whether board or concrete, me happy for the people that will get the little blessing. Here comes this storm you know. To threaten the people them little blessing, brother. You see what I say? This must be the devil here. Right now, the only thing they can do is just pray and hope. So the people them will get and deserve the little blessing the storm left them also it did that. And go about the business. All of the people them would say, no storm now come and them not prepare for nothing and them not this and that a phone place. BERYL for tech and the people them will get the little blessing. Must still have them blessing after tomorrow. Big respect to Mr.beast for see and acknowledge a few people down a yard need some help and them actually give some assistance and respect. And I hope your money not go to waste. I want every single house with this man built left there. And BERYL go on where to go with the people who don't prepare and say them not prepare nothing and found a place to go. Yeah man. But just I pray and I hope so the people may get the little blessing we still have it after tomorrow. That is it, brother. That's all I know about it.